What a graceful performance!
Yes!
Awesome.
Come on, girls, you have rocked the stage.
Superb. Give them a big round of applause, people, please. We have very less noise from audience. Yes. So we have surprise gifts for whoever makes more noise here, okay?
Are you ready for the gifts? We need more
Yes.
noise.
Yeah, please cheer up more. Good job.
Amazing. Come
Once
on.
again. Cheer up. Nice. Okay, so we have our next performance by Tiny Tots Fashion Show. Okay, these kids are going to represent different states of India. So I'd like to welcome the fashion show crew over to the stage, please.
Let's welcome Harihan, Avyan, Ayam, Abhinav Achyut, Achyutan, Chinmay, Tanish, Raha, Vidwat, Aishani, Ayana, Avana, Srinika, Siri and Nishika.